Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you Premium Gel. This is from the Remos brand, professional body care, and this is sugaring gear Fleece. Woo! It looks awesome. With this sugaring thing, you can remove your hair for a long time. Not like shaving. It is a really old method to remove the hair, and sugar waxing or Persian waxing as a method of hair removal, and you can eat it. Here you can see that has been in use since 1900 behind Christie. Historically, sugar was confined to the regions around Persia until the first millennium AD. As a result, it is speculated that honey was the first sugaring agent. Sugar was also known as sukar or halwa in the Middle East, as agda in Turkey, and as maum in Iran. Sugaring is often compared to standard waxing. During the process, a sugaring substrate sticks to and a shampoo removes hair without attaching to the skin. The substrate can be applied at room temperature or heated to lukewarm temperature, minimizing the risk of burns. For this reason, sugaring is generally preferred over waxing when it comes to removing hair from larger areas of the skin. If someone has a sensitive skin, sugaring can nevertheless result in skin irritation and reaction. However, this can sometimes be prevented by taking an antihistamine. Sugar itself is otherwise hypoallergenic. There are some distinct differences between home and professional use sugar paste. The majority of store-bought products contains wax, while homemade pastas often utilize sugar and other natural ingredients. And here you have a premium gel, sugaring gel Fleece. It is a natural product. Premium sugar gel consists solely of water, sugar, and lemon juice, and is therefore edible. The highest quality and experience based on 2,000 years of tradition, coupled with modern production facilities. They have been producing a gel of the highest quality in Switzerland for years. With gentle sugar, the gel technique hair is removed in its natural growth direction and leaves behind a smooth, silky, soft skin. In addition, the sugar paste penetrates into the hair follicles and provides the hair root with moisture. And this is really good. It will hurt a little bit, okay? I tried it. It is medium range or soft range. Medium range was on my arms, and the soft range was on my legs. The premium gel gives the best value for money of all sugar gels available in Switzerland. Premium sugar gel consists solely of water, sugar, and lemon juice, and you can eat it, and it tastes really good. I like it. It's sugar. The sugar gel technique is a gentle method to remove hair while leaving a smooth, silky, soft skin. The hair is only removed in its natural growth direction. In addition, sugar paste penetrates into the hair follicles with this application technique. Prevents and removes ingrown hairs. The gel has body temperature, no risk of burns. You can see it is not now on room temperature or body temperature. These are about 15 degrees Celsius. 15, okay? So we have to heat it a little bit up later. The gel is it looks like honey, as you can see. Less skin irritation due to hair removal in hair growth direction. They are able to produce any degrees of hardness. For the time being, they offer 5 degrees of hardness, from very soft to very hard. The masters of mixing technology can mix any degree of hardness. And you can do this too. The only thing you have to do is take this liquid into your hand, test it a little bit, and then mix it if you have a right feeling with it. The sugar paste is a pure natural product. A number of properties are determined by the recipe and the manufacturing process in the user's studio. However, there are numerous other influencing factors that are constantly changing. And if you have the air temperature in the studio, that means the warmer the air, so more liquid is the paste. Above 25 degrees Celsius, these are 77 degrees Fahrenheit, use strong air. You have studio humidity. High humidity will make the paste softer. Put up a dehumidifier in the studio. Cold or hot hands of the user itself, alongside the room temperature, the temperature of the hands also influence the gel. Cold hands means softer gel. Hot hands means harder gel. You can choose, you can try, and you can see it works. Beautician's hands. Most hands will make the paste softer. Do this with the heavy, sweaty hands. They recommend working with tightening fitting gloves. Customer's body temperature or perspiration. The customer's body temperature also influences the paste. With a cold body, use a softer paste. For a hot body, use a harder paste. That means not if you have a beautiful woman there, it is automatically hot, okay? The sweeting of the clientele. The gel absorbs the customer's sweat. It becomes softer and runny. And that means no so much hair will covered. When the client's sweating, use harder gel. All these influencing factors are constantly changes, some less or some more. With growing experience, you will learn to deal with them. And we now perform it on my body. First step is we are going to heat up a little bit the gel, and then you can see I will use it on my legs and on my arms. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel soon.